Can a state shut down a company, even if it follows federal law? This case just shook the US fintech space. US federal regulators have stepped in to protect prediction market platform Kalshi, blocking Arizona from prosecuting it. Arizona had filed 20 misdemeanor charges against Kalshi, but a federal judge has now issued a temporary restraining order. Judge Michael Liberty stopped the state from filing criminal charges, at least for now, halting the case just days before arraignment. Why? Because the CFTC says it has exclusive authority over these markets. They argue that fragmented state regulation creates massive risks. But Arizona isn't backing down. The state claims Kalshi is running an illegal gambling operation, even betting on elections. Attorney General Chris Mays argues that federal laws don't strip states of their power to protect citizens from unlicensed betting. This isn't just Arizona. States like Connecticut, Illinois, and even New Jersey are pushing back against these platforms. The stakes are huge. By 2025, over 90% of activity on Kalshi was related to sports, drawing the ire of state gaming boards. Meanwhile, a federal appeals court has now supported the CFTC, saying it controls sports-related event contracts too. The ruling in the Third Circuit marked the first time an appeals court definitively sided with the industry on federal preemption. If these contracts are legally swaps, they fall strictly under federal control, potentially shielding all fintech exchanges from state law. So the big question is, who really regulates the future of betting? States or federal agencies? The answer will redefine the industry. This battle is just beginning. Follow for more fintech stories that actually matter and stay ahead of the regulations. I'm your host, and this has been The FinRate Update. We'll see you in the next one.